Number 1. Fossil evidence of mammal-like reptiles date to Triassic period, Carboniferous period, Permian period, Cretaceous period. So correct answer is option A. Mammal-like reptiles were present in Triassic period of Mesozoic era. They were also known as therapsids. Question number 2. In which era had life originated? Paleozoic, Archaeozoic, Proterozoic, Mesozoic. So correct answer is option C. Life had originated in Proterozoic era. It is also known as Precambrian era. Question number 3. The ancestral amphibians were tetrapods that evolved in Carboniferous period, Cretaceous period, Ordovician period, Devonian period. So correct answer is option D. Ancestral amphibians were evolved in Devonian period. Question number 4. The first cell that is produced on Earth was protobiont, protozoa, metazoa, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Protobionts were the first cells that were produced on Earth. Question number 5. Archaeopteryx evolved during which period? Jurassic period, Cretaceous period, Carboniferous or Triassic. So correct answer is option A. Archaeopteryx were evolved in Jurassic period. They were primitive reptiles like birds. Question number 6. Geological timescale was first introduced by Arthur Holmes, Lamarck, Charles Darwin, Packard. So correct answer is option A. Geological timescale was first introduced by Arthur Holmes in 1913. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. Question number 7. The number of eras in the geological time scale are 4, 3, 5, 6. So correct answer is option A. There are 4 eras in geological time scale: Proterozoic era, Mesozoic era, Paleozoic era, and Cenozoic era. Question number 8. Trilobites were dominated in which period? Devonian, Silurian, Ordovician, Cambrian period. So correct answer is option D. Trilobites, which are swimming crustaceans, they were dominated in Cambrian period. Question number 9. Which era is called era of ancient life? Proterozoic era, Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, Cenozoic era. So correct answer is option B. Paleozoic era is known as era of ancient life. Question number 10. Which of the following event occur in Silurian period? Origin of jarred fishes, origin of amphibians, fishes were dominant, reptiles were dominant. So correct answer is option A. Jarred fishes were first originated in Silurian period of Paleozoic era. Number 11. The first plant life on the land were appeared in Devonian period, Silurian period, Ordovician period, Cambrian period. So correct answer is option B. The first plant life that were silophytes, they were appeared in Silurian period and they are ancestors of modern ferns. Question number 12. The seed ferns were extinct in which period? Triassic period, Cretaceous period, Jurassic period, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Seed ferns were extinct in Mesozoic era in Triassic period. Question number 13. The first amphibian group that were appeared in Devonian period were Stegocephalia, Cotylosaurs, Sphinodon, Peleisiosauria. So correct answer is option A. Stegocephalia were the first amphibians group that were appeared in Devonian period. Question number 14. Which period is called the golden age of fishes? Devonian, Silurian, Ordovician, Cambrian. So our Devonian period is known as golden age of fishes. Question number 15. Which period is called the golden age of gymnosperm? Cretaceous period, Jurassic period, Triassic period, Carboniferous period. So correct answer is option B. Jurassic period is known as golden age of gymnosperm. In addition to this, Jurassic period is also known as golden age of dinosaurs. Question number 16. Which statement is not true for Jurassic period? Age of giant reptiles, Metatherians were appeared, origin of Eutherian, Archaeopteryx appeared. So correct answer is option C. origin of Eutherian did not take place in Jurassic period. Rather, Eutherians were appeared in Cretaceous period. Question number 17. The mass extinction of dinosaurs occurs in Triassic period, Cretaceous period, Carboniferous period, Jurassic period. So correct answer is option B. The mass extinction of dinosaurs occur in Cretaceous period. Question number 18. Eohippus, that was the ancestor of horse, were appeared in Holocene epoch, Paleocene epoch, Pliocene epoch, Eocene epoch. So correct answer is option D. Eohippus were appeared in Eocene epoch. Question number 19. Angiosperms developed and diversified in Oligocene epoch, Paleocene epoch, Holocene epoch. None of these. So correct answer is option B. Angiosperms were developed and diversified in Paleocene epoch of Tertiary period. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. Question number 20. The number of eons in the geological time scale is 4, 3, 5, 6. So correct answer is option B. There are 3 eons in geological time scale such as Archaeozoic, Phanerozoic,